So when I was a kid, I had this friend named Ryan, I think. He lived across the street, up a trail, a beautiful trail that I used to go just about every day. Up a trail, it's like a 20-minute walk, and then like there's like a little subdivision of houses up there. He lived there, and he usually came to our house, or we'd meet. There's like a playground in the middle. We would go throw a football around, that kind of nonsense. But one day, I think it was only one day, I went over to his house and he stole his mom's laptop, which was like this big at the time, and he loaded up a game called Escape from the Planet of the Robot Monsters. This laptop screen only had 2 colors, so it was pretty bland looking, but the game was fun. And it was like the closest thing I'd ever seen to having arcade quality at home. So very impressive for whatever piece of shit computer that was back in the day. I was impressed. But anyway, I didn't realize it was actually an arcade game. So we're gonna play Escape from the Planet of the Robot Monsters, where the women's jugs are in color. Fuck yeah, let's go. Oh, we're at the start. The map of the planet X is very blocky. Cool. Music's pretty slick. Feels good though. Oh, sorry, lady. Oh, I left her behind. No.
Steer the starboard slip through the canal mazes.
Maybe I will. Go! Get down the middle! You son of a bitch! Go! Did I make it? Oh, I did. Well. Does. Turkey dinner. No, Jake. Apparently you need a baker's dozen.
With the evil reptilon. Use your bomb.
Who are you on the watch, sir? Yeah. Take that, evil reptilon. Oh, there's the thing.
Good job. Now get to the next factory and rescue our people.
Did that live up to my memories of the game? I'm gonna admit, no, it did not. But it was still fun. I think it would be a whole lot more fun with 2 players going. There's just so much going on in that game. Actually, I wonder if I turned the difficulty down if it would stop spamming so many creatures. The controls are really shitty. The movement is awkward, and you have to line up your shots more than most modern games, that's for sure, because you can only point in 8 directions, and you know the game it's not overly obvious, but the game is a grid-based game, so you move, so he goes exactly the number of steps to get to the next section of the grid. They try to hide that by having that isometric view, but you know, for its time, it was amazing. Escape from the planet of the robot monsters. Is that better than the King of the Monsters? Absolutely not, and I think we're gonna play the King of the Monsters next week, so stay tuned.